All right, it is 9 a.m. Monday, November 29th, and the markets have opened up strong here this morning after a week of getting clobbered by a new COVID-19 variant. So before we take a closer look at what happened last week, a few items for you. First, all of us here at CCG hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving full of family, fun, and joy. We consider it a privilege serving you in the pursuit of your important financial goals, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity to do so. That said, we have another quarterly client appreciation event coming up next week. On Thursday, December 9th, you're invited to hear from Candace Say, the Global Head of Strategic Advisory Solutions at Goldman Sachs. Candace is one of Goldman Sachs' brightest economic minds, and her expert opinions and market commentary will provide exceptional insight that you and I can discuss in relation to your specific financial situation. During her presentation, Candace will discuss Goldman Sachs' top 10 macro and market views and discuss themes including global growth and monetary policy. To RSVP and to get the link for that virtual event, please visit our website at www.investwithccg.com. Just head on over to the events page. Lastly, December is here this week. If you have not yet received your 2021 Last Chance Financial Planning Checklist, I have hard copies here at the office that I can send you. Just send myself or your advisor an email, and we will drop one of these in the mail to you. Or if you'd like an electronic copy, you can go to our website right now. We'll email you a copy. Just fill out a form, put in your email. It'll be automatically sent to you. Just go to investwithccg.com, scroll down until you see it. There are 55 different items on this checklist that everyone should go through before December 31st. So head on over to the website and get your copy today. All right, like I said, in this week's recap, news of a new COVID-19 variant clobbered the markets last week. I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we will take a closer look. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. All right, so news of a new highly virulent COVID variant triggered a market sell-off on Friday, sending stocks into negative territory for the week. The Dow Jones Industrials average slid 1.97%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 slumped 2.2%. The NASDAQ Composite Index lost 3.52% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, dropped 1.68%. Taking a little bit closer look, investors woke up on Black Friday to reports of a mutated COVID variant, reviving fears of potential new economic restrictions. U.S. markets were not alone as stock prices in Europe and Asia also tumbled. Friday's market action saw declines in economic reopening stocks such as travel, leisure, cyclicals, financials, and energy, while some of the so-called stay-at-home stocks and pharmaceutical stocks actually experienced gains. Yields retreated amid a flight to safety and the potential that this turn of events may lead to a slowdown in the Fed's bond tapering program and a delay in contemplated rate hikes. Prior to Thanksgiving, the markets had been choppy, but largely trending higher for the week, while yields had moved up with the re-nomination of Fed Chair Powell. That's right. President Biden announced last week that he was re-nominating Jerome Powell to serve another term as chairman of the Federal Reserve Bank, ending market speculation surrounding his re-nomination. President Biden cited the need for stability and independence in a time of uncertainty in making his decision. While Powell's re-nomination faced resistance, Senate approval appears likely. Coincident with Powell's re-nomination, President Biden also nominated Lael Brainard, a member of the Federal Reserve Board of Governors, to serve as vice chair. Investors can soon expect further Fed nominations by the Biden administration to fill vacancies created by term expirations as well as retirements. All right. As always, later on today, I will be emailing out our full weekly economic update. If you're not getting this and you would like it, you can subscribe at our website. In this update is also our financial tip of the week. We have a really good one on cybersecurity here this week. We also have one of my favorite quotes in this week's update, so you definitely want to grab this, take a look at it. But in here, we also have companies reporting earnings, financial data that we're watching, plus a riddle for you as well. And remember, while you're on the website, be sure to check out an RSVP for any upcoming events, like our client appreciation event next week, as well as grab your 55-point last chance financial planning checklist. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.